Hi everyone, let me introduce my work. This wideband receiver. It can work from 49.5 to 704.85 MHz and function for narrow FM, wide FM, and AM of course. This kit combined with some Arduino peripheral, of course Arduino Mini and rotary and LCD. It controls using I2C to let the tuner head to tune the correct frequency. So from this tuner, I pick up the first stage IF to put into the second stage, the MC3362, the common IC. They'll have the second IF here work from the original MC3362. And also I have put some PIL circuit and controlled by another IC MC145163. It's a very stable and easy control PIL IC. So from first stage to second stage, it down the frequency to 10.7 original IF, so I put 10.245 crystal into the frequency and substitute to 455 the third IF. The second filter is the crystal filter, and the first one is just the LC trap. The 455 symmetric filter is also needed. The signal also put into the another IFIC TA2111. It's very common for portable radio. So they have narrow FM and also wide FM and AM signal come out. You can see another switch IC 4052, which is for the audio control. And then the output go into another audio preprocessor, TDA1524. It's a very nice, stable audio processing IC. So this very interesting kit work very fine and very easy to work. Let me show some of the functions. From the beginning, I have put the original frequency in memory, but I still design for 50 channel memory if for the another purpose, so you can keep the different frequency in different memory. In the panel left side, I have the volume control, switch control, Also, I have memory switch and mode switch. The LCD is a very common 60+2 LCD controlled by I2C. The right hand is the rotary, which can control the frequency, step, and also the functionality to keep the memory. They have two LED indicate. First green one is the signal, and the button is red for the original. If the radio is stereo, it will light up and show. I also have remote control. The remote control also is Arduino kit. Very easy to program. I program the channel up, down, and also the step and frequency up, down. I also have two functions here. The scanning mode. This button will scan from memory 1 to 5. So when scanning, it will show the heart sign. If a signal happens, it will show the S. So you can see from 1 to 5. If you want to stop that, just put it again and the scan function stop. I also have another function for long wide scanning. It scans with from 1 to 10. The scanning will pick up the signal. If have a signal, they have stopped the scanning. So you can lessen the signal, the frequency for a while, and then the signals disappear. They will keep on scanning. It's a very interesting function here. So the kit, very interesting kit, and it can work with only from 9 voltage to 12 voltage. The output is just very common like another earphone. So you can pick up the signal and put into another desktop speakers. The antenna is the original. You can pull your cable and connect that. Yeah, this kit is quite very interesting and hope you like it.